Hello children, welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. This video is for class 1 students. This is your English Mulberry class. Today's topic is Revision 2. In this class, I, Sneha, your English teacher, will be discussing and revising the chapters that are coming in your unit test 1. In this class, we are going to discuss the exercises that were done in your copy. Let us start today's class. At first, we will start with chapter 1, Inside Aisha's House. Word meaning: delicious. What is the meaning of delicious? The meaning of delicious is tasty. DELICIOUS, delicious. TASTY, tasty. Now, let us read the question and answers of chapter 1, Aisha's House. Answer the questions. Do you like Aisha's house? Why or why not? Children, all of us have read the chapter Aisha's House. In this chapter, we read about the rooms inside Aisha's house and what all she does in her rooms. We came to know all about it. So children, do you like Aisha's house? Yes. And why or why not? Yes, because her house is a sweet house. Children, all of us love our home. And for all of us, our home is a sweet home. So here, the question is, do you like Aisha's house? Why or why not? So the answer is yes, because her house is a sweet house. Next is poem Itsy Bitsy Spider. Now we are going to discuss the exercise of the poem Itsy Bitsy Spider. Word meaning: spout. What is a spout? Spout is a pipe that carries rainwater from roof to ground. Spout is a pipe that when the rain comes, all the rainwater is carried down from the roof to the ground through the spout. So, spout, a pipe that carries rainwater from roof to ground. Answer the questions. Question 1 is, who climbed up the water spout? Children, we have read the poem. So, who climbed up the water spout in the poem? Itsy Bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Question 2 is, who dried up all the rain? The sun dried up all the rain. You have read in the poem, when the sun comes out, it dries up all the rain and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Next is Chapter 2, Priya's Friend. Word meaning: sways, moves slowly from side to side. Children, you might have seen the trees when the wind blows. The trees and the plants move slowly from side to side when the wind blows slowly. But when the wind blows strongly, then the plants and trees moves quickly from each side to another side. So it is called swaying. When the plants or the trees move from left to right, right to left, they sway. This is called swaying. Answer the questions. Question 1 is, who is Avi's best friend? In the story Priya's Friend, we have studied that Avi says Avi's grandmother is Avi's best friend. He says she tells me a story every day. So Avi's grandmother is Avi's best friend. Question 2. Write 3 things that Priya's friend can do. Children, Priya's friend is the big banyan tree. So what can Priya's friend do? The 3 things that Priya's friend can do are, he can cover the sun, he can hide the moon, he can protect her from the rain and the hot sun. This is true because when the sun is shining up in the sky, the big banyan tree can cover the sun so that all of us are not receiving the sun's hot light. B. He can hide the moon. When the moon is shining up in the sky, the big banyan tree can hide the moon also. He can protect her from the rain and the hot sun. When the rain comes, the big banyan tree can protect Priya from the rain, and when the sun is shining high up in the sky, then the big banyan tree can protect her from the hot sun also. Question 3 is, how do trees help us? Answer 3 is, trees help us by giving fruits and vegetables. Next exercise is, A and an have not been used correctly in some of the following sentences. Find the sentences with errors in them. Rewrite them as correct sentences. A. There is an kitten in the house. Children, the heading of the question is that in some of the sentences, A and an have not been used correctly. So first of all, let us understand where to use a and where to use an. Children, we use a with the words that begin with consonant sounds, and we use an with the words that begin with vowel sounds. So here in some of the sentences, a and an have been used incorrectly. We have to find out the sentences with the errors in them and we have to rewrite them as correct sentence. So first of all, we will find out the incorrect sentence and then correct them. So the first one is, there is an kitten in the house. There is an kitten. Kitten. The word is beginning with a consonant K, and we use a with the words that begin with consonants. So here a should have been used, but here an is used. So this is wrong. The correct sentence is, there is a kitten in the house. B is, there is an insect on the floor. An insect. Insect is the word that begins with a vowel. So here an has to be used and here an is written. So this is the correct sentence. We need not change this. C, there is an glass on the table. An glass. Glass is the word that begins with a consonant. So here it should have been, there is a glass on the table. So we will rewrite this sentence correctly. There is a glass on the table. My brother sleeps in a cot. A cot. Cot begins with a consonant and we have used a here. So this is correct. I have an watermelon. An watermelon. Water. W is the first letter. So W is a consonant. We should have used a. I have a watermelon. So correct the sentence. Write down, I have a watermelon. Next is, mother drives an car. An car. Car begins with consonant C. A should have been used. So just rewrite the sentence correctly. Mother drives a car. G, Manu wants a apple. A apple. Apple begins with the vowel A. Here we should have used an. So rewrite the sentence correctly. Use an for apple. Write down, Manu wants an apple. H, there is an owl on that branch. An owl. Owl begins with a vowel O and here an is to be used. In the sentence, an is used, so this is a correct one. So we need not change this sentence. The correct sentence is, there is an owl on that branch. So children, with this we come to the end of the revision part. Your homework is, learn the exercise, revise your chapter well for your unit tests. I hope all of you have understood the revision well. We'll be meeting soon in the next video, and in that video we will be discussing some worksheets. Thank you for watching.